Boats, fishermen's huts, oars, pulleys, and many other objects in the nautical world are made of wood, and that is undoubtedly the reason why aged wood is the material we use for so many of our objects. Our blue wooden wall highlights a series of white objects. Using a warm white colour, we've used it on coat racks, decorative sailboats, on wall or tabletop fish, on whale tails, on mirrors, and on lighthouses. Fishing ports are another important source of inspiration. Fishermen's houses add colour and allow us to create coat racks, key cabinets, decorative objects, candle holders, and even to decorate mirrors. The other important element in fishing port are the boats. Boats that we have represented in a naive style, boats that we have loaded with sails or coat racks shaped like bows, the bow of a boat. And let's not forget the fish. On the wall, on the table, or even as pendants, we never tire of them because of the almost infinite variety. They have different shapes, except pastel and more vivid colours, can be plain, go with stripes, or even with painted scales. Either way, they are always beautiful. We always dedicate a separate chapter to our whale theme. On this wall, we present two new decorative pieces, which are joined by tails in different colours and a clothes rack with a sperm whale. For the table, the well-known round whales, and a new wooden metal whale in 3 different sizes, as well as a candle holder set. And from the sea to the sky, seagulls are the great cheerleaders of the ports, and are therefore represented in different styles, sizes, and postures in the collection. But you'll also find walkers and other coastal birds. We try to make our garlands cheerful and colourful, and that's why we use motifs such as boats, corks, buoys, or fish painted in 1,001 ways. And to highlight the pendants, we have used the smallest of the metal corals that we have in our collection. As if it were a Christmas tree, we have placed pendants made of wood, metal, even ceramic. On the floor, we've placed a new doormat with a lobster drawing, as well as elongated cushions, doorstops, and liners, whose design is inspired by signage buoys. For the central table, we've done an exercise mixing wooden elements that come from different collections. It is about joining pieces of totally different styles and finishes so they exist harmoniously in the same environment. It is true that the theme of the sea is the link between all these pieces. To illuminate the central table, we've hung 2 metal lamps with an aged white finish.